How important is this game for the finals?
Yeah, well, I think it's a massively important game for us. As I said, we are in the 8th, so we've got to keep winning. And then there's bonus points and all that. This is the beauty of this competition we play in. There's bonus points that are part of your success, and there's points differential that gets taken into it as well. So it means that as we get towards the end of games now, we've got to stay on no matter where we are. We've got to make sure that if we're behind, we've got to get that bonus point, or if we're in front, we've got to make that status. And sometimes, I'm not talking necessarily about this game, just in general, that if you get in front of a team that you're fighting for, in for a finals position, you don't want to let them have a bonus point either. So there's all those things are at play, and so that makes this game very, very important.
So it's come Bengon from injury. Something you want to say on this form?
I think he's getting better. I think he's enjoying being out there, and I think he's just starting to become his physical self again. He's had a couple of nasty injuries over the last couple of years, and it takes you a couple of games to get a few hits and get confidence back in your injuries that have been repaired. And he's done that, and I'm really liking the way he's approaching his training as well. I think he'll improve every game now leading into the end of the year. Well, there's a lot of hope to execute them. Yeah. I think we know what they were. We made unforced errors, big learnings. We haven't done that any other time. I think the big thing for us was improved in our discipline, and we've got to continue to do that against Moana, and we're just going to hang on to the ball. We've got to be a little bit more accurate in our execution and just hang on to the ball. And I think if we can get rid of those unforced errors of last week, which we didn't have the week before, we certainly didn't have them in Lautoka in the wet. If we can just go back to what we do best, then we'll certainly be challenging Moana and asking a lot of questions of them.
Is for crowd Saturday in Lautoka?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's going to be good weather. I think we saw last weekend, the crowd came out, and I think we're expecting another good crowd this weekend. And as we know with our fans, that when they turn up, they're loud and supportive, and the boys really appreciate every bit of noise they can bring. So we're looking forward to that again on Saturday.
Puluvinaka, I'm Vijay Narayan. Thank you for making Fiji Village your #1 media website. This is based on the latest independent Tablet survey results. And Google Analytics also puts us as having average monthly page views as high as 3 million. Here at Fiji Village, we stand with you during the good times and dreadful ones, in moments of joy and moments of sorrow, in the darkest times and during our biggest triumphs and celebrations, when you need a helping hand or when you just need to be heard. We stand for truth, integrity, fairness, and justice. We aim to deliver the most balanced, fair, and factual news to you. We are here for you and always will be. And stay tuned, the all-new Fiji Village app is coming soon.